In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your account private on Facebook. We all know how important it is to maintain privacy on social media platforms, and Facebook is no exception. Whether you want to keep your personal life away from prying eyes, or just prefer a more private online presence, making your account private is a crucial step. Let's dive in and walk through this process together. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Facebook's website. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials and get to your homepage. Now, once you're on Facebook, you'll want to look at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find your profile icon, usually a small version of your profile picture. Go ahead and click on that icon. Once you click your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you need to select your profile. This action will take you directly to your profile page, where you can view all your posts, photos, and personal information as others would see it. Now, with your profile displayed, focus your attention on the area just below your cover photo. You should see a series of options. Among these, locate the three-dot icon, which usually sits close to the Add to Story button. Click on this three-dot icon to reveal additional options related to your profile settings. In the list that appears, look for the option that says Lock Profile. This feature is designed to enhance your account's privacy settings by limiting what non-friends can see. When you click on Lock Profile, Facebook will provide a brief explanation of what this action entails. Essentially, locking your profile will restrict the visibility of your photos, posts, and other information to only your friends. It's a straightforward way to keep your personal content more secure. After reviewing the details, if you're comfortable with the changes, proceed by confirming your choice to lock your profile. Facebook will then implement these privacy settings, ensuring that your account is more private than before. And there you have it. You've successfully made your Facebook account private. Remember, these settings can be adjusted anytime, so feel free to revisit them if your privacy needs change. This simple process gives you greater control over who gets to see your personal information, making your social media experience more secure and tailored to your preferences. Thank you for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.